Hey guys, have I got a video for you today? It is April 11th, 2023 at 9:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I must say the market is on fire and I am loving it. But before we get started, I need all you guys to do one favor for me. One huge favor. Stop and hit that like button, all right? Hit that like button on your phone. And when you're done watching the video, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the little bell notification symbol. That way you'll be notified any and every time I upload a new video. All right, guys. The market is on fire today. I am so excited. Bitcoin is up 6.8%. It finally broke through some key resistance level. Cardano is doing great. They're up. They've passed the 40 cent mark. Hex is around. You know, I love Hex and I love Zen. But this video, guys, is going to mainly be about Bitcoin. Honestly, you guys know I love all the other projects, but Bitcoin is still. It's like how oil affects the world. You know what I mean? So we're going to dive into it. There's some stuff I really want to show you guys. I hope you stick around to see it. It's pretty important. I will do a Zen video later, and I will be doing a Hex video later. But this one, I think you should watch this whole video. All right, but before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm super stoked today. Today's beautiful. I'm going to keep this video short, but I just felt the need to do it. It's important. All right, first things first, guys. I want to show you the DXY. DXY, basically, we're looking at the US dollar in comparison to Bitcoin. And that is during the year 2023. The US dollar is actually down. I always get confused when we'll say the US dollar is down 2.40%. All right. Bitcoin is up 80%. Okay. So first things first, that's something to be excited about. So we're starting off 2023 at a good tip. Hopefully we continue this direction. I want to see Bitcoin up a lot more than 80% before the year is through. I'm sure you guys do also. The overall total market cap right now for cryptocurrency that encompasses the entire market is at 1.20 trillion. 1.2 trillion. Oh my God, that's just so much money. It's sickening. All right. It's amazing to watch it grow. I've seen it grow from a baby back in 2017 to where it is now. It is amazing. And just to think, last bull market, we passed the 3 trillion mark. Who knows what's going to happen in the next bull market? All right. It's realistic to see it past the 9 trillion point because that's how big the jump was last time. But we'll have to wait and see. All right. Now, with that said, it did drop as low as $174 billion as recent as March 10th, 2023. So remember, it's very volatile, high risk investment, but we know it's here to stay. And because you're watching this video, I think your future is going to be good. All right, let's jump forward here. Now, this is important, guys. Let me refresh this. I created this earlier. I'll make sure I'm not leading you all astray. All right, it's reloading. You better reload, son of a gun. All right, so what I'm trying to do right now, you gotta love life. Life is weird like this. What I'm trying to show you is the fear and greed indicator. And of course, my fear and greed indicator decided to make me look foolish. So I can still get it in there. I want this video under 10 minutes. And the fear and greed indicator right now fires off. We are in the greed zone, guys. So as Warren Buffett always says, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. So if you're running out buying Bitcoin right now, be careful. All right. You should have been buying it when it was down. Right now it's up. It's not a good time. Oh, crypto market's on fire. I'm getting in. Don't do that. That is such a new mistake. Never chase anything if you can help it. Sometimes you have to, but it's got to be a calculated decision. All right, let me change this angle here. All right, so let's dive right on into the Bitcoin technical analysis I've set up. Several. This is huge. Just broke through key resistance. All right, so we've been bouncing in this range right here since June 13th, and we literally have been bouncing between 15,719 and actually this range goes higher. I don't know why I stopped it there. This range actually carries up to here. And we've been bounced between that there and the basic roughly the $29,000 point. And we have not been able to break past 29,000. And what Lord behold, we have blasted through here. So we had was a nice solid trend where we stayed within this range very tightly. And boom, we just blew through it. Now, have we established some key support? Not at all. Right now, we're waiting to see if it's going to stay above, it's going to pull back. But the fact that it did break through that resistance point is super huge. And I like how I did a little moon up there just to give a little bit of excitement I have right now. But this is huge, guys. Like I said, it may not be able to hold that, but it did break through the resistance. So if it broke through it once, it can break through it again. If it capitulates, don't make the mistake you made last time. Maybe you might want to take that opportunity then to dollar cost average. But today is not the day to dollar cost average, guys. All right. You want to dollar cost average when it's down here, not when it's up here. All right. Let's take a quick look at the Fu Manchu cipher chart here, and you can get it for free on TradingView. You'll see right here on April 8th, we had a blood diamond fire and a sell signal, uh, bearish continuation. Then we had a change from previous trend, a long signal, and nothing but bullish continuation. So we do have one bearish continuation up here. That's fine. But overall, this is super bullish, super awesome, guys. Key point of support right now that we definitely want to hold above is at 28,074. Now, if it drops beneath the 26,502, it could drop significantly, but we're not worried about that right now. Right now, we're living a life. It's good times. Now, upper resistance point, we need to break through 30,157. By the time I get done this video, it may break through it, tell you sure. Now, if we look at the cipher B chart down here, you'll see that on the 8th and 9th, we started this channel right here, and we wrote all the way through this channel on this long signal. And then we are hitting a sell signal right now, so there may be a little bit of a pullback, but only time will tell. The momentum's awesome, as you can see. All this blue is the momentum. The volume is ticking down a little bit, believe it or not. It is actually ticking down, but the cash flow in the overall crypto market is looking good. Now, Bitcoin with the moving averages, it's above all of them. It's above the 20-day, which is purple, the 50-day, which is green, the 100, which is orange, and the 200-day. So our moving averages on a 4-hour chart is absolutely beautiful. If we go to the daily chart, moving averages actually look better on the daily chart. Super healthy, guys. Super healthy. And I'm glad that the 20-day held out right here and it's above it now. All right. Bitcoin with the Bollinger Bands is indicating that Bitcoin is on the overbought side of things. So like I said, it's not a good day to buy Bitcoin, guys. Now, if it was down here, that would be the oversold. In the middle would be neutral. It's definitely overbought right now. The Ichimoku, which is in the middle here, you see this color band right here. Ichimoku is actually predicting a little bit of a pullback right now and then go back to bullish. With it kicking off so fast the way it did today, Ichimoku is probably not going to be the most reliable to go by. But I do love using Ichimoku. It's right more than it's wrong. Now, if you look at Ichimoku on a long term, which if you put it on a daily chart, it goes out to May 6th. It's predicting Bitcoin to remain bullish moving forward. That is huge, guys. That is super huge. That's all I got to say for that one. It's about to get really exciting this spring, guys. Now, the stochastic RSI. I knew I should get a drink of water. I'm so thirsty. I'm messing up my words. So stochastic RSI is actually indicating, remember that this one is on a short range. The RSI is a much longer range. So short term, it is indicating that Bitcoin is approaching overbought. It is overbought, in my opinion. But this one's on a very short term, so it's bouncing back and forth. So yes, it is overbought at this very moment. And our side's actually agreement with it as overbought. So we're gonna go overbought with those two guys. The MACD is indicating that Bitcoin is going to bullish. Remember, the MACD lags behind the market, which is all this is absolutely good news, guys. Phenomenal news. Now we're gonna jump over here. One thing I want to point out for you guys, you degens, because I hate the whole term degenerate gamblers, whatever degens. It's not good. I'm sorry. Every time I play around, I get liquidated because I don't follow the plan and I mess up and I lose more than I gain. So I'm not doing it. But what I wanted to point out to you guys was today there were 73.23 million shorts liquidated and there were 12.5 million longs liquidated. So please be careful out there, guys. They liquidate you like crazy. Now, this is on CoinGlass. It's a great tool. Suggest you guys start using it. But like I said, I just wanted to keep this video very short. Bitcoin is bullish. It's going to roll over to Zen Crypto. It's going to the Hex, Cardano. You guys know I love Cardano. Cardano's actually doing pretty good right now. So much out there. Hey, do me a favor, guys. Leave comments. What projects do you want me to do technical analysis on? Do you miss me doing live streams? Am I not covering something you would like me to cover? Communicate. Let me know. And Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Until next time, peace out.